minute. I need to talk. And I need to confront this to her.
Okay.
Hindi mo ako madadala sa mga ganyan-ganyan. Kasi kahit nanonood ako ng movie kanina, alam na alam ko yung mga pinaggagawa niyo sa live. You know, I really thought you're my friend. But everything changed when you show your Kim Pamparahas to him.
No, I never saw anything. I promise.
Jack, if you jump, I jump later. Harapin mo ako, QD. Kausapin mo ako. Kasi alam natin kung sino yung totoong asawa dito. Ang galing, nanonood lang ako ng movie tapos pinapakitaan mo siya ng mga bagay na hindi ko napapakita sa kanya. May araw ka rin. Right, Jack?
Yeah, it's fine. Nobody's ever gonna replace you. You're the only snare.
Ano, Cutie? Sumagot ka! Akin lang ang asawa ko! Go! Subukan yun. Subukan yun. Di naman ako nasasaktan eh. I mean, okay lang naman sa akin na. Naiiyak ako. I mean, I'm not affected at all. I mean, it's just that, you know, I mean, I'm not betrayed naman the way I felt earlier for him. We're just friends. I mean, you were once my best friend, Queen. Pero di ang mahal. Yes, malaman ko lang na. Saan nagkulang? Nasa half pa ako ng movie. Parang sabi ko, umuulan ba? Ay, luha ko lang pala. At plema.
Pati ko nakita na ayaw mo na.
Alam mo yun, yung I just checked my phone eh. Tapos ang dami na nagtatag sa akin na kasi may naka-live si Sean na iba. I mean, okay lang naman sa akin. Pero parang alam mo yun, parang walang girl code.
Hindi ko na pipilit ka.
Alam mo yung pinigay ko naman lahat eh. Tapos mas nakita ko yung totoong ngiti niya nung pinakita mo yung kifi mo. Yun yung mga mata hindi nagsisinungaling. Yun yung pinakaunang nakita ko sa kanya nung sinagot ko siya. Pero akala mo mapapatalo ako sa'yo? Akala mo yun yung sasabihin ko sa'yo? Harapin mo ako! Jack? Saan na nga tayo, Jack?
It's fine. I mean, I'm gonna fix you.
I'm sorry. I just, like, you know, where are we again? I'm sorry, I'm not the type of person talaga na nagpapa-shut off sa'yo, but, you know, I mean, I just had to let it all out.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. You have to let out your feelings so you can move on.
Yeah.
And let others in. Open it.
Naka-live daw si QD. You want me to invite her?
Do you want to?
But can you be at my side?
Yes, I will. We're together, remember? We're one.
I guess so. I can't invite her. She's not live. Kayo talaga, mga ano talaga kayo? Where are we